Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by connecting the controller and ensuring the PC recognizes it. Plug in via USB or pair by Bluetooth, then install the latest vendor drivers so Windows exposes X input. Once done, open Steam Big Picture or run DS for Windows if you have a dual shock. These tools translate inputs into the format Blur expects. Make sure the controller shows as active in devices and that any proprietary overlays or power-saving modes are disabled before launching configuration. Now you map and calibrate controls so gameplay feels natural. In Steam Input, choose a template or create a custom layout. Assign face buttons, triggers, bumpers, and stick axes to Blur's actions. Next, adjust dead zones and sensitivity. Small dead zones reduce drift, higher sensitivity tightens response. Then save the profile. Once configured, launch a practice session or controller test utility to confirm button mapping, analog response, and trigger thresholds. If steering or acceleration feels off, tweak values and retest, and with mapping locked in, save the profile and set it to auto-apply when Blur launches. Start the game, go to controller settings, ensure controller input is enabled, and verify bindings one last time. Remap any in-game actions that differ. If the controller doesn't work, first restart the game and reconnect the controller. Make sure drivers are current and try forcing X input via an adapter or software like X360C if Blur expects Xbox input. If problems persist, reboot Windows. This often clears device conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.